Do you have crabs? No.
I'm sorry.
What the heck?
Really, I'm just playing as the crab. I'm just playing as the crab.
Crabs, you're not a...
I'm just being a crab.
Awkward mountain.
Alright. Hello. I am a sea otter. Crab, tell me about your life.
Guys.
My name is Crab Sleeve. So you be my friend. You be my friend.
You make me feel awkward.
And anyway, my name is Crab, and I am from the
Where'd you leave?
places of Alaska. I stopped looking at them.
Very
Piss me
tasty.
off. Anyway.
Otter ate crab.
Oh,
Crab died.
a crab died today.